Hey Sabers! I'm Lindy Sabas.
And I'm Jalen Carpuz.
And we'll be your anchors for this week's episode of Maui High FYI. Hey Jalen, I know we're only freshmen, but where do you see our graduation from now?
I'm not sure. I hope I have a really big poster of me.
Same here.
Speaking of posters, Lindy, don't you have anything to say?
Oh, yes. Before I get off topic, seniors, if you haven't purchased a graduation poster yet, make sure to pay attention on our first segment, Sabers Need to Know.
Seniors, you may begin hanging your banners on the school fence on May 10th. Remember, signage should be no larger than 27 by 36 inches. All banners must be removed by Monday, May 31st, 2021, and any signage left after May 31st, 2021 will be discarded.
Last call for graduation poster printing through our ACOM Graphic Center will be on Friday, May 8th. For $45, we will be printing out 24-inch by 36-inch posters that will be laminated and grommeted in preparation for being hung on the Maui High School fence. See mauihigh.org for more information on how to order. No refunds will be given.
Seniors, are you still thinking of going to college in the fall but have not yet completed the FAFSA? Well, there's still time to access over $150 billion in financial aid. There will be a virtual FAFSA workshop through the months of May. The dates are May 6th, 11th, 13th, 18th, 20th, 25th, and 27th. Workshops will run through 5:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. To register, go to collegeswithinreachhawaii.com/FAFSA workshop. For more info, go to fafsa@hawaii.edu.
May 3 to 7 is Teacher Appreciation Week, and May 4 is National Teacher Appreciation Day. Thank you to all our teachers. We all are so grateful for everything you do.
Attention parents, a letter containing information and instructions on completing the school quality survey for parents was mailed out last week. Parents will complete the survey online. If you do not have a device to complete the survey online, please contact Ms. Woodson at 727-4051 for assistance. Thank you for your cooperation in providing important feedback to the Hawaii Department of Education.
We would like to congratulate these Sabers on our next segment, Saber Spotlight.
Congratulations, Hunter Shields, for being recognized as Gatorade Hawaii Boys Cross Country Player of the Year. In its 36th year of honoring the nation's best high school athletes, the Gatorade Company today announced Hunter Shields of Maui High School as its 2020-21 Gatorade Hawaii Boys Cross Country Player of the Year. Shields is the first Gatorade Hawaii Boys Cross Country Player of the Year to be chosen from Maui High School. The state's two-time returning Gatorade Player of the Year won the state meet as a junior and placed second as a sophomore in 2018 when he led the Sabers to a team state title. He was also a two-time Maui Interscholastic League All-Star.
Congratulations to students in the ACOM Entrepreneurship, along with the Culinary, Graphic Design, and Digital Media Capstone courses for completing the annual Food Truck Wars competition. The problem is, we have seen an increase of Maui restaurants shutting their doors because of COVID-19, but food trucks on Maui have seen record-breaking months. Each team's challenge is to enter the food truck market here on Maui, based with cuisine that is not typically found in the Maui community. There were 8 food truck themes based on the following countries or regions: India, Middle East, France, Germany, Southeast Asia, Greece, Spain, and Italy. We are pleased to announce the following content winners. Overall team winners will be announced on next week's Maui High FYI episode.
Congratulations to the following students who will be in Student Government Council next year. President Noah Sakamoto, VPs Ho'ohie Okala Luna Beamer and Jenna Paiba, Secretary John Rick Bumonglong and Hannah Okamoto, Advertising Sienna Jolie Ricoma and Jasmine Valoria, Senior Class Council President Kyra Ong, VP Crystal Bismonte, Secretary Rin Valoria, Treasurer Michaela Bond, and Class Rep JC Iha.
Next up is Saber Connection.
Attention parents! The Maui High School PTSA will be holding a general meeting on Thursday, May 13 at 5 p.m. on Zoom. Agenda items include year-end review, officers' reports, elections, and future planning. Also, nominations are open for President, Vice President, Secretary, and Treasurer. Please send nominations for officers and RSVP for the Zoom link to mauihigh.ptsa@gmail.com or Bernice Takahata@gmail.com.
Hey Jalen, have you heard that spring sports are happening?
Actually, yes I did.
Do we have more information about it?
Yes, actually. You can find it in this next segment, Saber Sport.
Based upon the Hawaii Department of Health Learning Model Matrix to restarting high school athletics, Maui High School is pushing back the spring sports start date to Monday, May 3rd, 2021. We remain in the red phase, which means no practices or workouts until further notice. We will be updating our student athletes and families every Thursday on our website.
Let's learn our Hawaiian word on our next segment, Tip of the Week.
Today's Hawaiian word of the week is Aina. Aina is pronounced I-na, and it means the land, or literally, that which feeds us. Hawaiians live very close to the land, so they believe you should treat the Aina with dignity and respect, because it sustains you.
Hey, it's been a long time since we last talked. How was your weekend?
It was good. I had practice and I played in a basketball league. How about you?
It was pretty fun, but busy. Girl, wait. I forgot we had our cameras on.
Oh yeah, you're right. Anyways,
mahalo for tuning in this week's episode. Stay tuned for more. We hope to see you guys soon.
Bye!